Okay, hey, welcome to another video. I am sitting here at my presentation desk, and getting this all ready this morning has been somewhat challenging, but anyway, we're ready to go. So, one of the most important things about running a small business is getting paid. And historically in the past, getting paid wasn't all that easy for small businesses. I recall when I had a little business selling paving a few years back, I had to apply for a merchant bank account from ABSA, and eventually, I think it was a few months into it, I started getting, I got a point of sale credit card device, which cost me around 2,000 Rand a month. And yeah, that was the minimum charge. And then obviously they would take a percentage of the turnover that I did through that little machine. And of course the machine wasn't mine either, so it was a little bit tricky. Anyway, fast forward to the current present day, and we have a number of companies that will allow us to get paid either online using a payment gateway on an online shop, or if you don't have a payment gateway, you can even get a little handheld credit card machine from companies like Yoco, and I think there's a couple of other ones, but Yoco is the one that I decided to go for. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just unbox this thing that came yesterday. It was a special that they've been running on Black Friday, and I got this for, I think, the grand total of 399 Rand, which is insane if you think about it. Anyway, ordering process was really straightforward. I ordered it on their website, and it arrived literally the next day. The guy hooted. In fact, I found the courier company that they're using was probably one of the better ones that I've had experience with. They sent me a message asking me what time would be suitable for me to have it, and they gave me a 2-hour window. So yeah, I chose the 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock window, and the guy arrived at 10 past 10, gave me this parcel. I had to provide my driver's license just to prove who I am, and here we go. So this is it. What surprised me is that this bag that this device came in is actually made out of millies. And if you have a look at this, maybe you want to pause this video here, but you can read the little story that they've placed on the bag. It's a biodegradable bag. It's actually not even plastic, but yeah, there you go. Great company. Okay, so let's open this up and see what's going on in here. Try and get this open. It says pull the strip. Okay, let's pull the strip. No, well, maybe opening it is not my forte. I struggle with food packaging, so yeah, you can understand where I'm coming from. Alright, let's just do this the old-fashioned way. Get that out of the way, and let's take a look here. So wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh, pleasant little box. Open it up. We have some instructions. Okay, well that looks interesting. I've got a sticker. If I had a shop window, I'd be able to put this on the shop window. I've even got a little pop-up. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it's a little tent card that you can put up on your counter as well. So that's nice. And here's the little machine. Wow, that really is very tiny. So the reason I got this is, as some of you may already know, I am a photographer as well. So sometimes I'll go and do jobs on location where, you know, it's just nice to be able to say, if a client makes a change to a job that's already been booked in through my online system, I can always carry this with me. And yeah, we can make a transaction well, I suppose I could actually say to them, look, I'll come and do the thing and then charge them when I get there. or else I could add on to a shoot that's already been done. So yeah, it's a pretty neat looking little thing. It's a tap and go as well. So as you can see over here, let me just get this over there. You can tap on your card, tap your card on there, and it'll process the transaction for you. Okay, all right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pack away all this mess here, and then I'm going to run a test transaction through this, and then we'll pick it up from there. Okay, all right, welcome back. So I've decluttered some of the stuff that came with the package, and I have already paired my device, which is my phone, my credit card device, to my phone using the Yoco app. So the Yoco app, you go and you get from the iStore or whatever device you're using store, and you download it to your phone. You log in using your login information that you get when you create your Yoco account. So in the description of this video, I'm going to give you a link where you can go and create yourself a Yoco account. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to process a transaction. So I'm going to see how this works. Oh yeah, a couple of other things. So you'll see that I also got in the packet, or in the box, a lanyard that you can use to attach this thing to. It came with a SIM card removal tool, which I suppose you would use in some of the more advanced machines that they send out. And also you get a charging cable, which is a USB to micro USB port, I think. All right, okay, let's get this thing going. So to switch on the machine, basically you press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. You'll see that it springs to life and it says hello. And what you do next is you now go into your device, and if you go to home over here, you go to sell and you type in the amount that you want to charge. So if I am going to charge somebody 15 Rand, and I'll say charge. Now asks me, if you have a look over here, let's put that one down there. It asks me what kind of payment method I'm going to use. I see they've got a thing here for cash, voucher, send request, and card. So let's say card. And it says present card. So I have my credit card here, and it's a tap and go. Authorizing success. That's amazing. I'm impressed. Done. Okay. That's really all there is to it. I'm impressed with that. Okay, so now you just wait for the money to appear in your Yoco account, and I think after a day, Yoco automatically transfers that to your bank account that's linked with them when you create the account. And you're ready to start selling or doing whatever else you want to do with your credit card machine. That's really impressive. I am quite impressed with Yoco as a company, and hopefully you guys will be able to get yourselves hooked up with the Yoco card machine or with the payment gateway if you're using WooCommerce, and make yourselves a ton of money. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I will obviously take any questions. Oh yes, if you're watching this on YouTube, there will be a link in the description there where you can go and join us on our Facebook group. And I'm very happy to report that we do have some official Yoco staff members on the Facebook group. So if you have any questions, I'm sure that they would be more than happy to answer them on there. And of course, you can also subscribe to the channel. So please do that, and I will continue to make videos like this, because this one was a little bit of a challenge using 2 cameras. I've done it before, but I'm old now, and yeah, it's not as easy as it used to be. So until next time, take care.